All right, so our vocab. Edward ran slowly for 5 minutes. He then ran at a faster pace until he stopped. In all, he ran for 25 minutes. So how long did Edward run at the faster pace? So what equation is going to represent this given situation? So he ran 5 minutes. Then he ran at a faster pace. So plus however many minutes he ran is going to equal the total of 25 minutes. So do we have anything that's 5 plus that minutes equaling 25? We do. That's going to be this one. Also, we can figure out, 5 plus 20 equals 25. So we can also say, that M equals 20 minutes. So he ran 20 minutes at the faster pace. 20 minutes at the faster pace, but you don't need to write that. That's just for fun. That's it for vocab. Great job.